Exercise 3.3, question number 6. Here, the data is given to us for temperature of some cities of India, and we have been given maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Firstly, we have to represent this data in a form of a double bar graph, and then we have to answer some of the questions. So then we can show that which city has largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature. So maximum temperature, if we see, so we have Jammu having 41 degrees Celsius and minimum is 26 degrees Celsius. So the difference between largest difference we find is in Jammu. Then which is the hottest city? So again with maximum temperature we can show that Jammu is the hottest city, and which is the coldest city. So the coldest city with the minimum temperature comes here is Bangalore. Bangalore is the coldest city. Now we have to name the city which has least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. So here we see that is Mumbai. Maximum is 32 and minimum is 27. So there is only and only difference of 5 degrees. So the least difference is shown in the maximum minimum temperatures is the city Mumbai. Now we can show the data in form of bar graph. So here is the double bar graph for the data with maximum temperature in shaded and minimum temperature in grayish part, where on y-axis we have taken 1 centimeter as 10 degrees Celsius. We can see that minimum difference between maximum and minimum temperature is in Mumbai, very least difference in the bars